powerful, 1200-watt motor. Pre-programmed, pulse cycle with automatic shut-off. Pulverizing. High torque power base. Hands-free auto-off for optimal extraction. Included, 1200 watts motor base, extractor blade, 32 ounces cup, 24 ounces cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and recipe book. Maximize your food's nutritional potential with the NutriBullet Pro Plus Edition. This exclusive NutriBullet duration adds more extraction power, more convenience, and more functionality to the original NutriBullet you know and love. With its 1200-watt motor, pre-programmed pulse cycle and hands-free auto shut-off, which shuts off automatically after optimum extraction, the NutriBullet Pro Plus even further pulverizes the toughest of ingredients including fresh turmeric root, blackberry seeds, wheatgrass, kale and more. Top reviews from the United States. Much better than the NutriBullet 900 watts blender. Auto stop is a time saver and blender saver. Owned a NutriBullet Pro, 900 watts, version before this. There are significant improvements in terms of the startup of the blender, and speed of the startup, to decrease the burnout of the blender. It also feels natural, when it starts slowly and then goes to full speed and feels safe. Before, it used to go to full speed immediately after you locked in the blender jar. And auto stop is a great feature. You can do other cleanup without worrying about forgetting to stop the blender. It has decently high noise levels though, expected for a blender of this much power.